Hi, friends. Hello and welcome to my podcast From Heart to Heart. I'm Mansi, your friend, and today I'm beyond excited to share a magical prayer that's transformed my life and could transform yours too. It's called Ho'oponopono, a Hawaiian prayer that paves the way for love, forgiveness, and peace. Buckle up for an emotional, high energy, and heart touching journey. Let's dive right in. What is Ho'oponopono? Ho'oponopono is an ancient Hawaiian practice that means to make right or to restore balance. It's a prayer that helps cleanse your heart and mind. It's just four simple phrases. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. These short sentences pack a powerful punch. They don't just heal relationships, they release negative energy from within you. When I first heard about it, I thought, come on, just four lines? Can this really work? But when I gave it a try, my friend's miracle started unfolding in my life. Let me share its story and how it works. The origins of Ho'oponopono. Ho'oponopono is rooted in Hawaiian culture. It was originally a group process where families or communities would gather, guided by a wise elder called a kahuna. People would admit their mistakes, apologize, and forgive each other to mend relationships. In 1976, a Hawaiian healer named Morana Simeona simplified it into a personal practice that anyone could do alone anywhere. Later, her student, Dr. Ehalia Kala Hulen, made it famous worldwide. His story will blow your mind. Dr. Hulen, a psychologist, worked at a Hawaiian hospital for criminally insane patients, a place so intense that staff lived in fear and even the paint wouldn't stick to the walls. But Dr. Hulen did something extraordinary. Instead of meeting the patients, he read their files and practiced Ho'oponopono on himself, repeating, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And guess what? Slowly the patients calmed down. Violence dropped, staff stopped being scared. Eventually the ward closed because most patients healed. Hearing this, my heart was racing. I thought if this is so powerful, I've got to try it. My personal story. Let me share something personal. A few years ago, I had a falling out with a close friend. Our friendship was on the verge of breaking. I was angry, convinced it was all their fault. Then I read about Ho'oponopono and decided to give it a shot. Every day, quietly, I repeated the four phrases I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I said them for my friend, but honestly, I was saying them for myself too. Slowly, my anger melted away. One day, my friend came to me, and without any arguments, we cleared up all our misunderstandings. Today, we are closer than ever. This felt like pure magic, and that's why I'm sharing it with you today. Why does Ho'oponopono work? You might be wondering, Mansi, how can four lines be so powerful? The answer lies in our energy. Ho'oponopono believes everything in our lives stems from our inner thoughts and memories. By clearing negative energy within, the outside world transforms too. When you say, I'm sorry, you acknowledge your mistakes. Please forgive me embraces the power of forgiveness. Thank you expresses gratitude to the universe. And I love you spreads love's energy. These four steps lighten your heart and raise your vibrations. How to practice Ho'oponopono? Step by step guide. Here's a simple guide to get you started right now. 1. Find a quiet space. Sit where you won't be disturbed. Calm your mind. Take deep breaths and relax. 2. Focus on the issue. Think about what you want to heal, a relationship, fear, or negative feeling. For example, if you're upset with your boss, picture them. 3. Repeat the four phrases. With love and sincerity, say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. You can say them in any order, silently or aloud. The key is genuine feeling. 4. Practice for 21 days. Do this daily, ideally morning or night. In 21 days, your subconscious starts to shift. 5. Trust the process. Ho'oponopono works when you believe in its magic. Do it with heart and the universe listens. Practical tips. Pair it with meditation. If you meditate, include this prayer for deeper impact. Write it down. If saying it feels tough, write the phrases in a journal with your feelings. It's so soothing. Use it passively. Play Ho'oponopono mantras on YouTube in the background to shift your energy effortlessly. Apply it to small things. No need for a big problem. Try it for minor annoyances like traffic anger. Benefits of Ho'oponopono. This prayer doesn't just fix relationships, it brings inner peace, reduces anger, fear, and guilt, and teaches self love. For me, it freed me from old guilt. I used to blame myself a lot, but now I've learned to forgive myself. Plus, it's universal. Use it for yourself, your family, or even world peace. A 21-day challenge. Here's a challenge. Start today. Spend 5 minutes daily on Ho'oponopono, focusing on one issue. After 21 days, let me know how your life has changed. I bet you'll be amazed. A heart-to-heart closing. Friends, Ho'oponopono isn't just a prayer, it's a lifestyle. It teaches us that happiness is in our hands. When we clean the clutter inside, the world outside sparkles. My life is living proof, and I want you to feel this magic too. So, my dear listeners, if you loved this podcast, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your small support is a huge inspiration for me. Let's fill this world with love and peace together. Until next time, tons of love and thank you. I love you.